Question number 25. I'm going to solve this question with three different ways, and for that we should know exactly what the question is. So let's understand the question first. In the xy plane, the graph of the equation y is equal to negative x squared plus 9x minus 100. That means if we explore this much part, so in the xy plane, it's going to be a downward parabola because this a is negative and which is less than 0. Intersects the line y is equal to c at exactly 1 point. Now let's draw this is not up to the scale. I don't know where the exact parabola is, but if I draw like this as x plane and y plane, this is the point where y is equal to c will intersect exactly at one point, which is the vertex of the parabola. If you try another line, any other line, it will have two different points on the y-axis. So it will have two lines, right? Okay. So that means we have to find the vertex. And to find the vertex, first we can use the method where we convert it into vertex formula, right? Which can be done by completing the squares. We will do one by one. Right now we are only exploring the number of ways. So completing the squares, that is the first method. Second is like if we have the standard form of the equation, which is this one, we use the direct formula. Again, I'm going to discuss what is the direct formula, and this is considered to be the best and the shortest method. And the third one is discriminant method. Now let's do vertex formula first. For that we have to complete the square. So let's write the equation. Y is equal to negative x squared plus 9x minus 100. Step by step. First, I'll just make the coefficient of x square positive. It's not the thing, you cannot solve this question otherwise, but this is like some comfort in the question. Okay. Next step, again, whatever is the value of b, right? B is 9 here. Ignore the sign. 9. So do plus half of it whole square and minus half of it whole square. That is the first step if you do completing the square. Whatever is the value of b, half it, add the square of it and subtract the square of it. First, write the add part. Second is like take x from here. If it is negative or positive, whatever the sign is, place it here, and whatever is this, write it as it is and complete the square. How we are doing this? Actually, we are using this formula x minus y whole squared is equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y square. The only difference is now this side is we have created and now we are moving to this side. Write the rest of it as it is. Plus 100. So this is negative x minus 9 by 2 whole squared minus, and if you solve this, this is 319 plus 319 by 4. Now open it, is equal to negative x minus 9 by 2 whole squared negative 319 by 4. If you compare it with the vertex form, which is x minus h whole squared plus k, so this k is needed because y is equal to c is the one line, exactly 1 point, and we have to find this. Here it is k. So k is negative 319 by 4, which in our question is c. So that is our answer, this option. Now let's go with the second direct formula, which is the best method. In that case, direct formula is like x is equal to negative b by 2a. Now in our question, negative, this is the formula sign negative, and b is negative 9 by 2 times a, which is 1, 9 by 2. So if you compare, we have already like done it directly. Here x is equal to 9 by 2, so x is 9 by 2 here. Now to find the k value, we have to plug in x as 9 by 2 everywhere, plus 9 times 9 by 2 minus 100. Let's solve it here. I just want to do all of the stuff on the screen itself so that you can compare. So y is equal to negative 81 by 4 plus 81 by 2 minus 100. Now because we have to solve the fraction, the best step is make the denominator same. And now because all the denominator is same, I'll write it as 4. That will be negative 81 plus 162 minus 400. And if you solve it, that will be negative 391 by 4. No, my bad here. That is negative. If you open, it will become positive. So you see, both the formulas are going to the same result. If you compare this, h is 9 by 2 and k is 319 by 4. Okay, just check the sign. Is it 81, negative 81 by 4 plus 100? Yes, this is positive. Okay, previously it was correct. Yeah. So if you compare, value of k is negative 319 by 4. Here also, y, which is k of the vertex, is negative 300 and negative 319 by 4. So, and now see how less calculations this method has. So, try this method. Okay, now third one is discriminant method. Because at this vertex, these values are same. So, discriminant is like another way to solve it. Just explore it at your own. This is kind of DIY. You always notice, I leave some gaps in the question and ask them as question, because if you solve them, you will notice what are the differences while we are using the statements, or how small differences can make such a big difference in the question. I hope that is enjoyable.